Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use canned beef. Canned beef is a versatile and convenient ingredient for many meals. First, choose a good quality product, as this significantly impacts flavor. Next, carefully open the can and drain any liquid present. This step helps prevent your dish from becoming watery. Finally, use a fork to gently flake the beef apart, making it easier to incorporate into your favorite recipes. This simple preparation ensures a great start to your meal. Canned beef is already cooked, so your goal is to heat it through and combine flavors. You can gently warm it on the stovetop over medium heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. It pairs wonderfully with your favorite sauces, like barbecue or gravy, and mixed vegetables. For heartier dishes, incorporate it into casseroles, baking for 20 to 30 minutes until bubbly and hot. This quick preparation saves you valuable time in the kitchen. Canned beef opens up a world of delicious possibilities. For a speedy dinner, try making beef tacos. Simply season the flaked beef and add your favorite toppings. You can also create a comforting beef stew by combining it with potatoes, carrots, and a rich broth. Another fantastic option is a savory shepherd's pie, topped with creamy mashed potatoes and baked until golden brown. These ideas offer satisfying meals with minimal effort. Proper storage ensures your canned beef remains safe and delicious. Unopened cans should be kept in a cool, dry pantry, away from direct sunlight. Once opened, any unused portions must be transferred to an airtight container and refrigerated promptly. It's best to consume these refrigerated leftovers within 3 to 4 days to maintain freshness and quality. Always check for any unusual odors or appearances before eating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.